Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum. Got another little tip, trick for you that I thought was kind of neat. As we've always known, if you swipe up and bring up the cards, you can always highlight text, right? If there's text in there. But I noticed this the other day. I went to go to the select button and it started highlighting things like even images. So you can actually long press on an image and then do a Google Lens search. What is this image? And find out about that. I thought that was kind of a neat thing. I was trying to find an example of where it worked on a QR code for me, but I couldn't find that one again. Sometimes it works perfectly and sometimes it doesn't. So you could, hey, let's see, who was this guy? Right? Biden. Cool. All right. So that is pretty neat little feature, I thought. How do you use that swipe up selecting feature? I thought that was pretty fun. Hope you do too.